Imagine a giant flying mothership hovering silently in the sky, then suddenly releasing a swarm of small drones to attack from every direction. This isn't a sci-fi movie. China has just revealed a real giant drone that can carry and launch combat drones in the air. Today, we're diving deep into the new flying mothership that could change modern warfare forever. China's new giant drone is designed as an airborne carrier. Think of it like an aircraft carrier, but flying in the sky. This drone is as big as a small passenger jet, but instead of seats, it holds dozens of smaller attack drones. It can stay in the air for long periods, monitoring enemy zones and waiting for the perfect moment to release its swarm. When it's time to attack, the mothership opens its doors and launches the smaller drones like bees from a hive. These smaller drones can do surveillance, jam enemy signals, or attack targets directly. Each mini-drone is guided by AI, making them smart enough to work together and overwhelm enemy defenses. Traditional fighter jets and large drones are expensive and risky. One mistake can cost millions of dollars. But a swarm of small drones is cheap, fast, and hard to stop, like a flying digital army. The mothership can deploy them anywhere, anytime, without putting pilots at risk. This mothership uses advanced stealth design to avoid radar detection. It also has ultra-quiet electric engines and AI-powered flight systems that adjust routes in real time. China has spent years perfecting drone swarms for coordination and real-time targeting. This flying mothership can launch surprise attacks without warning, even deep inside enemy territory. Defending against so many drones at once is almost impossible for traditional anti-air systems. It also opens the door for large-scale electronic warfare, disrupting communications and radar. China's flying mothership has shocked military experts worldwide. Countries like the US, Russia, and Israel are now rushing to develop similar swarm drone systems. This could start a new era of drone warfare that is faster, cheaper, and much harder to control. A giant mothership drone that can release a storm of smaller drones. Is this the future of war? Would you feel safe in a world filled with drone armies? Or are we heading toward a dangerous future? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Globe Pulse Facts for more mind-blowing tech stories.